Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to get guess the flag filter on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to get guess the flag filter on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app, click on the search bar and right here guess the flag filter on TikTok. Select any of the guess the flag filter, click on that and apply it on your face by clicking on turn it on. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.